So by now you've probably already heard of something called dropshipping. We're very excited to announce that we're in the first phase of rolling out this service. So what exactly is it? So in the least amount of words possible, dropshipping is basically a risk-free way to sell something and make money. So how is it risk-free? Well, let me explain. So we all know that to start a business, normally you'd need capital. This capital is used to find a space to sell your stock from, to pay the employees that sell the stock for you, as well as get the actual inventory. Now, all of these factors pose risks in the form of you need to spend money with no guarantee of anything being sold. So even if you're not selling anything, you're still paying for all of these things. So e-commerce already eliminates two of these factors, since you don't need a physical space to sell your items from, and you can do everything by yourself from your computer from home. So that just leaves the matter of stock. Now, stock is usually your biggest risk because you have no guarantees that anyone's gonna buy what you're selling. So buying 200 units of a certain shirt and then it doesn't sell, you still paid for those 200 units and now you're stuck with them. This is where dropshipping comes in. So dropshipping is a process where you have an online store that's linked directly to your supplier. So whenever someone buys something off the online store, that stock is then pulled, the shirt is printed, and it's sent straight to your customer without you having to place an order or do anything. So this means that you only have to focus on setting up your online store, building your brand, and marketing your products. So in summary, all of the pros of dropshipping are: it's a risk-free service since you don't pay for any stock up front. You can make money with a very low capital input. The automated ordering process means a lot less work, and you have fast turnaround times for your customers. So we've been working hard here at Innit Apparel to make our locally made high-quality garments as well as our state-of-the-art printing available in this dropshipping format to South African brands. So we need 5 existing apparel brands to be a part of our first phase rollout of this new service. The only things you'll need are your brand, your marketing, and a Shopify store. All the details will be down below for how you can get in touch and set up dropshipping for your brand. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave us a like if you enjoyed it, and make sure you're subscribed to be the first to see any future videos. Cheers.